Many WordPress website owners save money by having more than one website on their hosting service. They do this by adding an additional domain to their website hosting cPanel. The result is hosting 2 or more websites for the price of one. This video will show you exactly how to add an additional domain so you can save money. First, log into your website cPanel. You can do this via your website hosting dashboard. Next, scroll down to the Domains section. Click Domains. Here you will see your main domain and any others you may have. Click Create a new domain. Add your domain name here. There's no need to add www before the domain name. Because this is an additional domain, uncheck Shared Document Route. This will ensure your additional domain is a different website to your main domain. Doing this will pre-populate these fields. Click Submit to add your additional domain. You will then see your additional domain added to the list. If your domain is registered with your website host, then you should be able to start building your website. If your domain is registered elsewhere, then you have to point it at cPanel by editing the name servers. To find your website hosting's name servers, go to your web hosting account. They are all a bit different, but look for Hosting then Manage. Look for server details and you should see the name servers listed. Copy the name servers. Log in to your domain host. Go to your domain list and click Manage next to your domain. Look for name servers. Change it to Custom DNS. Paste your name servers here and click Save. It may take a few hours to propagate over the internet, so be patient. Once your domain is pointing at cPanel, you will see something like this. You will now be able to start building your website. I hope this was helpful and you have fun creating your website. I'll do a video on how to upload WordPress to cPanel next.